Hey guys, so I've been working on the truck lately. The doors on the rear used to not open. You would tug on them as much as you want, go open the handle, nothing would happen. I fixed it by replacing the billets, the plastic billets. I had them. I have a piece of one right here. They just crumble apart in your hands. The old billets were broken, so I replaced them with aluminum, both top and bottom billet. And I can come around to show you on this side, because I'm about to put this thing back on if I can get it off. You can see I replaced both two billets, top and bottom, so now they both work. So now let's install this panel. First I'm going to be doing these screws. Next thing is this nut. God, it wasn't fully tight. Now we're going to install this, which is just a couple of prongs you push in, which I can't do with one hand. There we go. She is now all back together. There we go. Fully complete. Now, watch this. Both two sides open.